Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon 2021-2022 range here from Knaus. This vehicle here we've got is the van integrated 550 MF, and I'm going to show it to you in under 3 minutes. But if you want to know more about it, you'll have to see the more detailed video. Now the first thing you think, that carpet looks horrible. Well, maybe it does look a bit horrible, but it's only here to protect the floor because they're going to want to sell the van to somebody later. Side bed here, it's got 4 sleeping places. It's got a rather silly step there, ideal for tripping on. You've got storage, as you can see, under the bed and from the outside, which we'll see when we go outside. Toilet and shower. Obviously you wouldn't have a carpet in the shower, so that's, as I say, just to protect the floor. Little sink as you come out, and here you've got a reasonably sized wardrobe, which may or may not open. It hasn't broken already, has it? No, it hasn't. And there you go. That's pretty good for a vehicle of this size. The table here is pretty small, but it does have these premium Aguti seats, which are very nice as an option. Kitchen, okay, it's only got 2 burners, but you probably won't want any more anyway, and or you possibly won't want any more. I don't know, you might want 17 for a while, but I'm just suggesting. It's got a filter system for the water. You've got your fridge down here, and you've got these drawers, which I believe have soft close. Indeed they do. Extra bed up there. Well, 4 people in a van like this, you're not going to have a lot of space to do anything else with. And I'll take you now around the front of the van. So it gives you, it's a cute looking van, and that is this van here in under 3 minutes. You can see where the storage is. Actually, I'm going to just, this is the gas cabinet. There you go, 2 gas cabinets. It's a bit easier there to get it than sort of trying to break your back when it's stuck in the garage somewhere. Okay, thanks very much for watching. All the best from Dusseldorf.